I wanted to show you this body kit, as it were, I made for my budget car. This is a 2001 MR2 Spider. And I spent some money on this car, but not a ton of money. So I didn't want to spend a ton of money on mods. And so for a front splitter and side skirts and a rear splitter, which we could call a lowering kit or a lowered body kit, there's lots of different names for that. You can get those for cars, typically for a lot of money. And I like the look. I think it helps the car, and didn't want to spend a ton of money on it. So I actually did this on another car on my channel, my 2015 Accord. You can check that video out. But I spent $99 on all of this, and that's tax and shipping included. So we have the piece here in the front, which is a knockoff Easy Lip. So there's Easy Lip, and then there's the cheap version of Easy Lip, which is half price. This is the same product here on the side, and it sticks on, and then you reinforce it, which I'll describe in a moment. And then this rear diffuser is one of probably 1,000 you can get that are just generic, and you kind of have to fab it up and trim it a little bit and make it fit your car, which I've done to my satisfaction. For the side piece here, I'll show you what I did. It's actually quite easy. So all along the car, we have these fasteners, as you can see, 10 mil bolts, and then we have these drain plugs. And for my car here, those actually ran all along the side. So I just put the car up on some ramps, pulled those out, cleaned the area very nicely, measured, cut holes in the product, and then stuck it on, and then reinserted all those fasteners through the holes, and voila. The front, again, is the same piece. To do this, I'll show you this also. You can make it look really good and not warp if you'll just cut some triangles. You can see there those triangles that I cut. And so in the areas that you have the bend, which is here and there, you just want to cut triangles all along the bend, and that way it can flex without warping. So it looks really good. It didn't warp at all. And then I just used some stainless steel screws to get that in there. Again, this is a budget build for me. These cars are, you can get them beat for under 5. You can get them decent driver like this for between 5 and 10, and then you can get, at 10, 12. I saw one sell for 18 on auction last week. You can get really nice ones that are kind of perfect and have low miles. So this is not that. This is that intermediate MR2. It's got it stings and bruises, but it drives perfectly and everything works, and it's a wonderful, wonderful little car. So for just a little bit of money, I'm adding little things like this, and I thought I would share that this morning. So if you have questions, I'll answer them, and let me know what you think. The spoiler adds a nice touch too, I'll add. I will leave a link to these products in the description of this video. I appreciate you watching. God bless you.